Alright guys, hey everyone, and I just arrived at the airport and I'm here in Washington, Dallas. So I'm gonna fly with the Emirates airline and I will land it tomorrow in Dubai and then taking the next flight straight to the to Riyadh. So I'm gonna walk you through and show you my whole experience from Washington to all the way to Riyadh. So I do have a little bit long layover in Dubai, but I think it's I'm okay with that because that way I can just check around and see there what's happening, and you know, just to give you guys a quick tour in Dubai as well.
I miss you too.
So this is the second floor for international flights, and this is where all the airlines are located. So you got a Korean airline and you got all of those airlines right at the second floor. I'm flying with Emirates, so I will go to find their counter. So Turkish airline is just boarding, and once you take your boarding pass, this is where you enter and pass through the TCI, and then you'll be inside the terminal. I'm the first person, so that's the Saudi counter and also the Emirates. They're right together on the left hand of the terminal. I will wait when everybody show up, and hopefully it's all gonna go smooth end of the day. In the line to be checking in a minute. So the line is getting longer. It's way all the way to the back. I got a boarding pass ready to pass the TSA, and all set, guys. Finish my copy and then go through, guys. Made it to the waiting area, and the plane is already connected to the dock, but we still got 2 hours. We got earlier, so we'll wait. We are 10 minutes to go on board, and that's the Airbus A380. So that's a huge plane, but look like not a lot of people traveling today. I mean, that's a big plane, but you know, not a lot of people here, which is a good thing because then I can get hopefully I will get a chance to just have the whole seat by myself. That's what happened last time when I was coming. I had the whole line for myself. It was really fun, actually. To the destination, we're still 6 hours away, and that's what the dashboard looked like. Also, guys, if you guys are wondering, this is my bed setup. Look like it's amazing. The past years and two, every time I travel to the US, this is what the plane looked like. Seriously, like when I go and come back, it's always just like that. Like it's just not a lot of people travel, I guess. Alright guys, we just landed in Dubai.
رحلة القطار يرجى أخذ جميع أمتعتكم والانتباه لخطواتكم عند المغادرة. Please watch your step. يرجى الصعود والانتباه لخطواتكم.
I'm on my way to find the gate, and then we will sit there and wait, because as I said before, I got a long stay here, so let's try to find the place. Or B, actually, that's where we're connecting flight's gonna be to head straight to Riyadh. Alright, so 24. Along the way, this is a duty-free section. I made a video on this one last time. Absolutely, the price is joke. It's more expensive than the outside, so just be aware of that, guys, especially in Dubai airport. This place is empty today. Look like nobody wanna come here anymore. I don't blame them. As I mentioned earlier, that I have a long layover here in Dubai, and this is what I found. The chair doesn't look comfortable, but what are you gonna do? Alright, so after the rest, I'm heading to the gate. We're still 1.5 hour away from boarding. They changed the gate, so this is, last time was B25 and now it's B26. And I hope this is the final number. So I did manage to sleep for a few hours, so that was a good thing. I have those long chair. It's not comfortable in a way. I wish it was more tilted up, but it was okay. I mean, it's crazy, like 7 hours, or maybe more than 7 hours. So that was good. And yeah, so I had a few hours nap. And then I went to grab my lunch from there. So it all worked out good, guys. And we are, I think, 1.5 hours away to be bored. And we'll head straight to Riyadh, guys. Right, folks, so the boarding just started. Doesn't look like a lot of people in this plane too. Here at the waiting area, people already start boarding, and now we are on the way to the plane. Heading to the immigration section, and here is a quick look at the airport. Also, guys, Riyadh airport is one of my favorite airport in the world. They are so fast. The immigration is just amazing. It literally took 5 minutes, and here I am to collect my luggage, and then I will be all good to go.
Taxi. Taxi for them.
Alright, guys, so this is it. Made it safely, and it took literally 5 minutes to get out the immigration and collect my bag. So that was pretty quick. Well, welcome to Saudi, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. It was so much fun. It was a long ride from all the way to Washington and here in Saudi. All right, I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.